Hello friends, so this is the first video of Basic of Finance. So in this we will start with the first concept called the rich or wealthy. Okay, now the question comes that we want to become a rich or we want to become a wealthy. If we talk about in the normal language, both of these words are used in place of each other, correct? We think like a rich and wealthy are exactly the same thing. We want to become a rich, okay? We want to become a wealthy. But what is your clear goal? See, by acquiring this finance skill, what is our ultimate objective? We want to become a rich or we want to become a wealthy, okay? We should be very clear on that. Let's understand. So when we talk about the basic of finance, finance is basically divided in the two types. First one we call is the personal finance, basically related to yourself, like me, you, correct, each one of you. And second is basically like a corporate finance, where the industries, correct, different companies are there. They also talk about the difference. There is a finance department in them. But our topic is basically on the personal finance, isn't it? We are more interested in the personal finance. So in the personal finance, the question comes, what is our ultimate goal? Do we want to become a rich or we want to become a wealthy? That is the first question comes, isn't it? Now, so we will basically deep dive into these two terminology and what is their objective, what are the differences among them, so that we get a clear-cut idea what we want, okay? So the first one is when we talk about a rich, what the rich has the intention. Rich always would like to impress others, okay? So anyone has the rich, they have a very good bank balance, but they spend a lot to impress others, okay? So they will buy a big furniture, they will buy a big mansion, big car, everything. So everyone around them will see, oh my God, he's a really rich person. Whereas when we talk about a wealthy, they will live like a normal life. People will not be aware sometimes that they are actually having a lot more money. You will be listening so much news. Sometimes in the news comes that, okay, this beggar, when he died, his bank account was having a 1.5 million rupees. Oh my God, correct? How can beggar has? Because he was living a wealthy lifestyle. Okay, he doesn't want to impress to others. He doesn't want to showcase that he has a lot of money. That is the mindset of the rich and wealthy. Okay, rich people, when we talk about, okay, their money generally don't last for long. Why? Because their main intention to spend. Okay, they want to showcase. So sometimes they forgot that, okay, my God, my money. See, money is not an infinite, na? They are rich, they have a limited amount of money, even though that limited amount is very huge, but they still have the limited amount. And if your spend is more than your earning, obviously one point will come where your entire money will be lost. Whereas the wealthy people, they have a sustainable income. Okay, there is a very good cash flow with them. It's coming, okay, and also going. Rich people will only be rich for a short period of time. Okay, till the time money is exhausted, whereas the wealthy people will always have the money, okay, for generations, not only for themselves, for generations. They all, okay, so rich people only have money because they are so much fanatic about money, they forget everything around them. Okay, so they will basically develop an egoistic mindset, whereas the wealthy people, when we talk about, okay, they know how to make a more money. They would like to gel with the people. Okay, that is the tendency which have been seen. Rich people have the fear of getting fired or laid off. They always have. They will not get a sleep sometimes. Why? Because if some money is lost, if I got fired, that kind of fear always have. Whereas the wealthy people, they don't have their worries. Why? Because they know that their cash flow in such a way that can survive them without physically working. So they maintain their standard of living. They don't increase. They don't live in basically a very hi-fi society, or they don't spend too much. That is their intention. Okay. Rich people, money goes out of their expenses column. Correct. Most of the rich people, if you see, their expense column will be huge. Okay, so that's why they will be having so many debt. They will do a lot more hard work basically to pay that debt most of the time. Whereas the wealthy people, they create such sort of an environment where they get a passive income without actually working. They can create that passive income. Okay, so we'll discuss more about the passive income in the future videos. Rich people actually work for money. Okay, so the more they hard work put in, the more money that you get. Wealthy people don't work for money. Money work for them actually. Okay, how? We will discuss that also. Rich people make themselves rich while making others poor. They try to snatch the money from. That is their tendency. Whereas the wealthy people create a sustainable environment around them so that everyone get wealthy with them. That is their objective. Okay, so I think we have got a clear-cut idea about what is the rich tendency, what is the wealthy tendency. Now it's your call whether you want to become rich or you want to become a wealthy. What is your goal? Most of the people will say by seeing this, I want to become a wealthy. Okay, because I would like to have a sustainable income, not just for a temporary period. Okay, I want money, but all the people around me should also be happy. I should be free from all kind of effort, isn't it? That is basically the definition of wealthy. So what is the conclusion is rich is spending money, whereas the wealthy is growing money. That is the difference basically. Hope this videos clear-cut define what is the difference between rich and wealthy, and you are clear what is your objective you want to become, whether it's a rich or wealthy. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with a fantastic next video soon. Thank you.